How to download and install the AliExpress application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are an Android user and would like to download and install AliExpress, go and tap on the Play Store install on your phone. Tap on the search icon and type in AliExpress. Tap on the first link. After that, tap on AliExpress Shopping Online, which looks like this. Now, in order to download, tap on Install button. This should automatically start the download. Currently, the file size or the app size is 50.11 MB, so it might take few seconds to download. Once the download is completed, installation should also automatically start. In order to know that the installation is completed, the open button pops up like this. Now you can just tap open it and use the application. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.